What are you doing, Drew?
Get it, Laura.
Go get it. Go get it.
Oh.
Oh, whoa. He needed an iron, Laura. He needs an iron for this shot. You get the putter.
Here. You need to stand up to play golf, though, Laura. Ready? What? Here, hit the big ball. Hit the big ball.
All right, come on, Drew. Come nail this sucker.
Laura's got it.
It's not sword fighting, it's golf.